Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by resetting the basics so your brain can exit dark mode. First, anchor sleep. Pick consistent wake and bed times and protect 7-9 hours. Once done, prioritize morning light. 20 minutes within the first hour will shift circadian rhythm and mood. Make sure to cut late-night screens. Enable blue light filters after 8:00 p.m. Also, hydrate and eat a protein-rich breakfast to stabilize energy. These immediate steps prime your body so further actions actually work. Now you move into active repair. Exercise, connection, and small wins. Start with 20-30 minutes of moderate movement, walking, cycling, or jogging to boost neurotransmitters and break inertia. Then, schedule social contact. One supportive call or meetup every 2-3 days keeps perspective and reduces isolation. Finally, use behavioral activation. Choose 3 achievable tasks each day and complete them to rebuild momentum. As you progress, adjust intensity. If energy dips, scale tasks down but keep consistency to maintain gains. To finish, lock in sustainers and a clear troubleshoot path. You should track mood daily using a 110 rating for 2 weeks to spot trends and tweak habits. Once stable, layer in hobbies or volunteering to deepen purpose. If no meaningful improvement in 2-3 weeks, consult a mental health professional. Therapy or medication options matter. And make sure you have a crisis plan, emergency contacts, local resources, and a clear step to take if thoughts worsen. That single plan protects progress and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.